Yan. O, diba?
Kaya mo, diba?
Wow. Masigilo ka dyan.
Dali.
Dance, dance. Dali dito, dance.
Success! La, 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 la.
Woo!
Tang,
Parang,
tang, tang.
i-vlog mo yan? Sige.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Evergreen Channel! Nandito kami ngayon sa Botanic Garden with the singles. Ayan! Tara na! Umuulan guys! Natin kung makimarites tayo kung anong mga tinitingnan doon. Ito palang tinitignan nila guys. Ayan. Now we know lizard is a lizard. Finally, I saw a lizard. Ayan. Ito guys ang tinitignan. Nakimarites naman ako. Ito. Banyas guys, banyas. Guys, this is the second lizard. Sundan natin kung saan siya pupunta. Gutom. Naghanap ng pagkain. Ayan. Ayan guys, umuulan na. Doon kami kanina. Ayan. Wala nang tao. Kasi nagsiuwian na sila. Ayan. Doon kami sa Botanic Garden. Ano ito guys yung fish pond. Ayan. Yun ito mga bulaklak o puti. Ayan. Yung mga trees guys o. Wala na kaming nagawa guys kundi umupo, kumain tapos biglang umulan. Ayan. Mga kasama ko nakapayong. Yan, kumikidlat-kidlat pa. Guys, ito yung Swan Lake. Ayan, nakikita ba ninyo guys? Ang swan, ayan. Swan Lake, may dalawang nagsiswimming na swan. Oh, ayan o, dalawa sila. Swan Lake. Diba? In Swan Lake guys. Yo. Daming mga leaves. Matatangkad ng mga trees. Ayan. Malayo na ang aking mga kasama. Ayan. Diba ang ganda yan oh. Ang bulaklak ang ganda. Ito yung shelter. Pag umuulan, nandito lahat mga tao. Oh, may aso oh, pitbull. Oh, ito ang Swan Lake Gazebo. Gazebo is Victor Ian Cast Iron Garden Shelter. It was built in 1850s and stood for many years in the grounds of old Admiralty House in the Grange Road. In 1969, it was dismantled and re-erected in the gardens of the entrance to rainforest. It was moved to a new site overlooking Swan Lake in 2001. Wow! Guys, yung napakagandang trees. Napakatol. Ayan. Umulan guys. Ayan. Basahin naman natin ang history ng trees na ito. Ito. Ayan. Basahin natin guys ang history. Ito ang daming mga dahon. Ayan. Ito ay tinatawag nilang African or Senegal mahogany. Kaya Senegalese African mahogany belongs to the mahogany family. Melaceae. This is a fast-growing tree and was common sight along Singapore Road in 1980s. This tree was planted on November 1980. Wow! Prime Minister of Singapore, Mr. Lee Kuan Yew. Wow! Patay na guys yung nagplant dito to mark the 10th annual tree planting day. It is amazing how large this tree has become in such a short span of time. Ayan guys, tignan nyo. Ayan. Tapos sabi niya, the tree planting campaign was launched by the government in 1971 with the objectivity making Singapore Garden City. Ayan, tignan nyo guys, oh. Tapos every year, a minimum of 10,000 saplings were planted as a part of this campaign on tree planting day. O, diba? Ang taas, guys. The 20th and the last tree planting day was held on Sunday, November 1990. That was also the launch of the first clean of Green Week. Oh, napakalaki, guys. Then initially called the Good Environmental Week, Mr. Goh Chok Tong was Prime Minister at the time. He started Clean and Green Week to expand the scope of tree planting. They include the nature-related program. Tree planting activities are still carried during the campaign road. Ayan, guys. Kita ba ninyo, guys? Ayan. Yan ang history ng African Senegal mahogany. Ayan. Ayan, palapit na kami sa entrance. Pero ang mga kasama ko, andun pa rin sila. Ayan. Pero ako, nag-video pa rin ako dito para makagawa lang ng content. Ayan. Kasi umuulan guys, wala na akong may content. Ayan. Ito naman, tayo dito. Ito yung tree na to. Ayan. Kikita ba ninyo? Help us to protect our trees. Root zone of trees are very important as they channel to nutrients and help trees grow. They are easily damaged from trampling and other human activities. Please help to protect by staying of this area. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ang ganda. Tuloy natin guys ang maglakad. Ayan. Yung mga panaw-panaw. Oo. Diba ang cute? Root lang guys dyan doon sa bundok-bundok yan. Ayan. Root lang sa bundok-bundok. Diba? Andun pa rin yung mga kasama ko nagre-rails kasi hinintay ako. Ayan. Ang snake tree. Ayan yung snake tree. Snake tree, Stereopesporum fimbratum. This tree was planted on November 5, 1937. It was brought in a street tree or for its attractive flowers. Ayan. Which can cover the ground in spectacular fashion when they fall. Ayan. The common name of snake tree derives from the twisted fruit pod that hang down like snakes. Oh, ganun pala. Like snakes. Then the snake tree is native of Indochina and Malay Peninsula. Ayan guys. Natawag nilang snake tree. Ayan ito. Snake tree. Diba? It's a heritage tree. Ayan, snake tree. Ito guys, ang nadadaanan ko papunta na sa gate to. Ayan. Botanic garden guys, maraming mga puno dito. Iba't ibang klaseng mga puno. Ayan, tignan nyo yung mga leaves, napakaganda. Dami, di ba? Brahim dita! Oh. Nakita ko lang mga kasama ko kung anong ginagawa nila dyan, oh. Ala, sige. Ayan, pine trees.
Okay.
pinagagawa mo dyan? Ang ganda yung pine trees, guys. Parang pa lang. Yung temak. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo ang temak. Laking tree to. Shorea roxburghi. The temak belongs to the ecologically and economically important tree family Disteropkarsi. The family name refers to the characteristic wing fruits that its members produce. The wings act like helicopter rotor blades. Yun. Tingnan nyo guys, parang helicopter daw. Yan. To help disperse the seed. In this way, some seeds can be carried long distance during storm. Oh! It's like helicopter daw guys. Temak ang tawag dyan. Trees of this family are often the giant of the forest are dominant in the forest tropical Asia. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. It's like helicopter. Ayan. Then, this particular species is found in seasonal forests in the far North Peninsula, Malaysia, and Thailand. It grows fast and observed for its timber, and its specimen was planted in 1978. Hindi pa ako pinanganak, guys. Nasa tiyan pa lang ako. Kikita nyo, guys, yan. Ito ang tinatawag nilang temak. Yan, tingnan nyo, guys. Temak. Ayan. Napaka tall at parang helicopter daw. Yan, guys. Iwan na ako. Yung mga kasama ko na sa bus stop na. So, ayan. Dahil lang isang vlogger na huli na. Wala akong magandang content ngayon, guys. Pero pinakita ko lang sa inyo ang mga nalalampasan kong mga heritage trees. Ayan. Narinig ba ninyo, guys, yung kulog? Napakalakas na. So, natatakot na ako. Kaya, ayun, guys. Andun na yung mga kasama ko sa gate. Ayan. Naghihintay sila sa akin. Buti na lang sila. Hindi ako iniiwan. Ayan. Na guys, andun na sila. Nasa gate na sila. Ayan. Tapos na ang aming day off. Ayan, umuulan. Kaya uwi na kami. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updated videos. Ayan, mga singles, uuwi na. Tapos na ang day off. God bless everyone. See you to our next vlog.